Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my keto broccoli cheddar soup. It turned out great. Right here I'm putting 3.5 cups of chicken broth with 4 cloves of garlic that I sauteed as well. And this is going to be about a half a pot of broccoli cheddar soup. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Any brand will do for your heavy whipping cream. I just have this great value on hand. So we'll go ahead and put that in the pot. And you want to bring this up to a boil. And then you'll add your vegetables in with it. Next, we're going to add our vegetables. I did add some cauliflower to give it a little bit of consistently. It's probably maybe a 1/4 cup of cauliflower with the broccoli. When I got said and done, I did not even notice the broccoli was even in there. It was just more of a filling up soup after that because broccoli or cauliflower tends to fill me up. And I'm just going to stir this up and bring it to a boil. Next, we're going to add our cheddar cheese. I did use the Colby Jack cheese that was in the big packages, the great value. You will be putting 3 cups of the cheddar cheese in there. Now, you want to make sure you only do about a half a cup at a time, or it will clump up on you and the cheese, it will be kind of a clumpy soup. So a half a cup or a 1/4 cup, maybe a half a cup of at a time when you're putting the cheese in. Just let it melt. I do have it on a medium heat at this time. And then we'll just let that cheese melt and put the rest in. Okay, here is the finished product. I put some bacon and a little bit of sprinkled cheese on there. It turned out great, you guys. You must try this for a cold day. It was snowy out, and it was just a great soup.